From the KATC Weatherland, here's Dave's forecast.
Skies across Acadiana are becoming fair. Still a few clouds that are left out there this evening. Temperature 79 degrees at heat index still at 83, so it's pretty sticky out there this evening. Winds have gone calm. Pressure on the rise and the visibility is fine. Had some showers and thunder showers move across the area, kind of dotting the Acadiana region through the afternoon. But now that the sun has set and the daytime heating is going away, we'll lose that convection. So showers and thunderstorms at a minimum as we go through the overnight period. We'll see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight start to develop in the offshore waters, and those will probably hug the coast by tomorrow morning, but most of us are going to be dry for the remainder of the nighttime period. Got a little shower here still there in the northern part of Beauregard Parish along the 171, and then we've got a couple of isolated showers out here in the offshore waters just south of the mouth of the Atchafalaya River. Graph models showing quiet conditions for the most part overnight. As we wake up tomorrow morning, don't be surprised to see a couple of showers, especially here in the coastal parishes. Those will wind down for a little while, and then as the daytime heating starts to kick in, we'll start to see the atmosphere bubbling once again. So lunchtime temperature on Sunday should be around 90 with a heat index around 98, and then those showers and thunderstorms will be popping up across the region. We'll go with a 60% chance that you'll get wet this time around, and if you get under one of those heavier downpours, they're not going to be moving very quickly, and there's plenty of moisture for these storms to work with. So if you get under one of these thunderstorms, 1, 2, maybe an upwards of 3 inches of rain could fall in a short period of time. So we'll have those isolated areas of minor street flooding being possible as we head into Sunday. Meanwhile, some of the rainfall totals on the map, at least between now and 5 o'clock tomorrow, many areas picking up maybe a half an inch, 4 or 5/10 of an inch or so. But again, there could be one of those slow moving thunderstorms that would stick around for a while, and you could easily get some higher amounts than that. As far as tropical weather is concerned, we're looking good here over the Gulf of Mexico. We have that upper trough that's been bringing us the unsettled weather over the last couple of days, but it's not tropical in nature. And then out here in the Caribbean, we've got some showers and thunder showers here along the Central American coastline, but out in the central and eastern part of the Caribbean, we're in good shape. Really nothing to talk about. A couple of tropical waves that are around here, one near the Leeward and Windward Islands, not too interesting there, but out here off to the east, there's a pretty good tropical wave that's now coming off of the African coast. National Hurricane Center is now putting about a 40% chance that we'll see some development here over the next 4 or 5 days. We're now into August. We're starting to roll into the second week in August, and this is about the time that the Cape Verde areas here of the eastern Atlantic start to wake up. So this is pretty much right on time. Hopefully this will fizzle out as it moves off toward the west across the Atlantic Ocean, but we'll keep an eye on it for the next several days. But right now, no immediate threats here in the Acadiana region. Skies becoming fair for the rest of the overnight period. It'll stay rather warm and humid. Can't rule out a couple of isolated coastal showers, especially as we get toward the early morning hours. Temperatures will drop back to 74 degrees, and as we head through the day on Sunday, sunshine in the morning, then skies becoming mostly cloudy. We'll see a couple of afternoon storms with a high temperature getting up to 91 degrees. Those winds out of the east-southeast at about 6 miles per hour. Rain chance tomorrow at about 60%. Then as we move along for the next several days, those temperatures are going to stay rather warm, although slightly cooler than what the average would be. A little dip in the rain chance on Monday, picking back up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then hopefully falling back again as we head toward next weekend. So temperatures right now holding at 79 degrees. Tomorrow's high near 91.